Hi there, lovely pals. We will also talk about the voluntary submission of a white paper for XRP under MIC by the biggest exchange, LSX, from Liechtenstein today. This essentially gives XRP legitimacy in the Eurozone. We will also discuss Martin Atkins' upcoming appearance as a speaker at the April 1 Ripple London Policy Summit. It's interesting to note that this event's logo is very similar to Bearable Guy's riddles, which may mean that something important is about to start. We're seeing a minor correction in the Bitcoin market this evening. Bitcoin is now worth $86,500 instead of $88,000. With a current price of $2.40, XRP is still in fourth place by market capitalization. Stuart Alderete said yesterday that the SAC investigation is all but done, but XRP has not responded significantly and is still trading at about $2.40. The market is moving in the direction of neutrality. We are rapidly approaching neutrality with a modest market rebound and modest altcoin growth. Once prices start to rise, the market can go into a euphoric phase. This, I think, is unavoidable. The next objective for Bitcoin is probably going to be between $91,000 and $92,000 when it goes through $88,800. This correction is typical. This is a great moment to build up your assets if you're a long-term investor. On a daily basis, XRP continues to trade below the 50-day moving average. It has made several attempts to rise beyond this level, but each time it has failed and fallen back down. This implies that XRP might go sideways over the course of the upcoming month, most likely trading in the $1.96, $2.50 region. If Bitcoin continues to fall, XRP might fall to about $1.77, but not any lower. I somewhat agree with those who claim that XRP is being sold off in response to news events. Even if there is some encouraging news, there are also notable sell transactions taking place. Investors lost money when a cryptocurrency project with a market valuation of about $50 billion abruptly crashed. This emphasizes how crucial risk management and diversification are when investing in cryptocurrencies. Never invest monies that you may need soon or that you have borrowed. Don't spend more money than you can afford to lose. The timescale for Ripple is now apparent, meaning that the SAC must either concede or admit defeat within the next 60 days. According to Stuart Alderete, Ripple has consented to drop its counter-appeal, and the SAC will reimburse the majority of the fine that the business has already paid, keeping only $50 million of the initial $125 million. Trading XRP in the EU is now completely legal, according to a recent white paper. No one can argue that XRP is superfluous or unlawful, since USDT will soon be phased out by Eurozone laws in favor of MIC or regulated assets. Furthermore, a big speech is slated for April 1, 2025, and some people believe it will be in line with Bearable Guys. Thus, it starts with a puzzle. But these dates, in my opinion, are merely symbolic. It seems doubtful that XRP will undergo significant changes in the near future, and its price may stay range-bound. Lawmakers in North Carolina have allowed cryptocurrencies to be used in pension plans. XRP won't remain around $10 for very long if pension funds start investing. It might go much higher. Additionally, a triangular pattern in XRP that has been developing since December has been recognized by analysts. Within a week, there can be a breakout that drives the price to $5.30. A recent executive order signed by former President Donald Trump permits the U.S. Treasury to update its payment system in order to combat fraud, waste, and abuse. This is very similar to the use case of XRP. At the Blockchain Digital Currency Summit, Brian Stile also stated that the stablecoin market is ready and prepared for Lust to take over. According to the CEO of Crypto.com, by 2026, an XRP ETF would draw in as much as $8 billion. His predictions, though, are not viewed with much respect, as he read from what appeared to be a script. Based on news occurrences, this feeds rumors that XRP is being sold at a premium. When compared to its 2022 to 2024 levels, XRP's current high trading range has lasted longer than typical, which raises the possibility that developers are purposefully allocating supply at higher prices. This does not mean that investing in XRP is a bad idea. It was still a good project with good foundations. From a trading standpoint, it could be prudent to hold off on making significant investments until after more market action has occurred. The future course of Bitcoin will have a significant impact on XRP's trajectory. The cryptocurrency market will be impacted by a number of significant regulation dates, including April 11, April 25, May 12, and June 6. These will have an impact on cryptocurrencies, violate laws, and affect the financial sector as a whole. In summary, the cryptocurrency industry is still undergoing consolidation. Significant changes have not yet occurred, although some cryptocurrencies have shown indications of life. While investors who joined after November 2023 might be losing money, those who invested in 2022 and 2023 are still holding. Waiting for the next significant rally while staying in the market during dips is still the wisest course of action. Whether the market correction is over is still up in the air. However, according to the Fear and Greed Index, euphoria has not yet arrived. Bitcoin must recover $100,000 in order to verify that the bull cycle is still ongoing. The recent drop will be viewed as a brief pullback if that occurs. As usual, acquire assets, buy on dips, and exercise patience. Don't worry if you didn't sell in time. Continue expanding your holdings at reduced prices, and long-term success will follow. Crypto Trader is going to sign off now. Remember to subscribe to our channel on Telegram. See you later. These acquisitions are probably being driven by Ripple's growing use cases and the company's continuing legal victory against the SEC. It's a myth that whales are perfect, despite what some people think, as seen by the Terra Luna collapse, in which one of the top 10 cryptocurrency projects was totally destroyed. Even big investors can lose money. Pertaining to electronic transfer payments and fraud, in order to reduce waste fraud with government use, this executive order will force the Treasury Department to update its payment system so that, whenever feasible, electronic payment methods are used instead of paper check. This is an initiative that we have been pursuing in many areas of government under your leadership. We're doing this in other modernization efforts because it's essentially modernizing tools and processes, which I believe will be very beneficial to the Secretary of the Treasury, Scott. Whether it's next or not, we can let someone else do it, but it should have been done 25 or 30 years ago.